Brush Avenue. Official Sandy destroying 500 Brush Avenue. That's right.
God, we're underwater.
We're underwater. Even the Whitestone Bridge.
It's fucking crazy.
Even the Whitestone Bridge is underwater right now.
Look at that. That's what it is.
We are reporting out here from 550 Brush Avenue.
Yeah, that's
where the water has exceeded its limits.
Oh my God. And I had to switch from slanders to actual sneakers. Oh my God.
Brush Avenue.
It's just fucking crazy, people. I see fishes. It's crazy. I cannot believe it.
Mad. Sick.
Head not good.
Head no good.
This shit goes all the way around the corner, man.
It's crazy. Look at this shit.
I took 3 feet, man. 3 feet. 3 feet, man. 3 feet of water, man.
Look at this shit. The water's coming into the building.
Yeah, down there.
It's gonna come in.
This is eventually gonna make it in the building.
Oh shit. Let's go over there and get some pictures.
Yeah, man, we're going over there.